summer. If you're worried about your skin at the beach, trust me, I've been there. But these two, hydrate from the inside out and get that glow. You'll be strutting on the sand without a care, and who knows, maybe attract your crush too. Wink, you've got this.
So apparently I made this ad with Seed Dance and Clean, and it was very simple. I used a platform called UGC Video AI, and it took me only about 5 minutes to make the video ad, and I never had to worry about using a camera or any expensive tooling to do this. Now today I'm going to guide us through signing up, and also after sign up there is also a way to test it for free, and we'll get to that. This is the tool, and the name of it is UGC Video AI. And after you sign up from the link is going to be down in the comment section. After you sign up, you are going to get free 30 credits to try it out, and another 30 credits once you are done trying it, your first generation. So can we do something very interesting today? Yes. Now, one of the amazing stuff that I like about this platform is with normal UGC or models that used to generate videos, they have this kind of plastic skin which makes it look more AI, and people are not going to pay attention to that. But this platform made it very simple for anyone to come up with a UGC video that feels like a human being recorded in a bedroom, a beach, a studio, or a high quality background that used to take like expensive camera photo shoots and setups before you could do that. Whenever you want to make a UGC ad too, if you want to use a particular image or you have an AI character that you want to use, you can head over to the character section and you can start from uploading your character instead. So you select this section to upload a character. So we have models like Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, and so we have all those frontier models over here. If you have an image, what you can do in simple form is to load the image here and just add a background prompt of how you want it to be. So I already generated this image here, and we are going to use this image. And once we use this image, we are going to do some little changes to it. So I'm just going to say we are going to give the character a curly hair, right? So that's it. So yeah, we used this is the prompt that I used, and I gave it the name of Jennifer, and we just wanted a UGC character who is blonde and has curly hair. So yeah, we are going to use Nano Banana Pro for this, and this is going to cost 10 credits. So after 5 minutes it's going to be ready for us. So yeah, now our character is ready, and this is where it gets a lot interesting. Now we're able to take this image from this to this, and that used to call for a lot of work. So this has been much simple using UGC Video AI. So now the next thing to do is to turn it into a UGC video, right? But then before I turn it into a UGC video, which product are we trying to advertise? Face cream, a food supplement, or whatever. So what we're going to try today is a face supplement. We are going to try either face cream, and we are going to do a simple UGC ad with a model over here. So we are going to choose UGC image. Now this UGC image feature allows you to explain what you want the model to be holding. You want them to be holding a face cream, whatever. So that's the use of it. So we are going to choose this, and I'm just going to say so what should we do here? This UGC character should be holding a face cream, and the idea being, yeah, it should be holding just a face cream called Glimpse. So make it very well. Yeah, that's it, and we can generate the image. So people are going to ask me, is prompting this even hard? Do I need to do a lot of work on prompting this? The answer is no. You want to create a UGC image, what you're going to do is use the prompt, combine UGC character with a face plus the product that you want to advertise. Is it a food supplement? Is it anything else, right? And then it's going to combine the UGC character with that particular product for you. So let's try this one here. So over here we can see we have our UGC character ready, and this is how it looks currently. So you see that, right? Now the next thing we have to do is to turn that character into a video. So here's how we do. Instead of going to the video section, this is more advanced. So we go to the UGC video, we enter, and then
Hey girls, quick tip for summer.
And what we're going to do is to swap it, and this character is going to be saying the same thing or something different. Yeah. So let's see how it goes now. So amazing. we have it here, and these are models that we can currently use, right? We have Clean 3.0, we have C Dance 2.0, and C Dance 2.0 Fast. So I think like C Dance is very effective for this, and if you are running a UGC offer right now, the best thing to do is to use C Dance for the best maximum result. So I'm going to use C Dance for this C Dance. And then one thing I found out about this platform is a lot of UGC offers don't usually like to do sounds, right? So your sounds will be turned on or off by default. So what you have to do is to turn it on this way, and then you click on generate, right? And when you're clicking on generate, you have to make sure that the video length that you use is what you actually want. So 8 seconds cost 80 credits, and what I want to do is 15 seconds, right? So let's go to 15 seconds. 15 seconds costs 150 credits. So yeah, let's go. I think we can also adjust the quality also. So yeah, let's go. Click generate, and we are going to have it ready. So yeah, our video is ready. And
Hey girlies, just a little reminder that taking care of your skin isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling confident. Imagine hitting the beach this summer, not having to worry about your skin, and being able to rock that bikini with confidence. Trust me, when you feel good, you attract good things, including your loved ones. So invest in yourself, okay? Hey girlies.
How do you see it? Looks great, right? So how do you see it? It looks great, right? Now imagine how much you could have paid a UGC creator for this. You could have paid lots or thousands of dollars, but with few credits you can make this. And even as a UGC creator, you can make your work much easier by using this and get a lot of clients. Now, one last thing before we wrap up, there is a motion sync, right? Now, what happens is this motion sync adds friendly gestures like smiling and movements while talking. So the character will now be able to smile and move while talking and have like an advanced expression. So let me explain to you how this relates. Now, I'm currently here at the motion sync section, and how to find it is very simple. When you are in the dashboard, you just scroll down like this and you're going to see motion sync. And how the motion sync works is that you are going to add your influencer, the AI character that I created, and you're going to paste the prompt. So this is just a long prompt that I made, just telling it to combine the character with the UGC product and what they are supposed to say. So yeah, we are going to do this now. So this costs 20 credits. Let's go. So yeah, the motion sync is now fully active, and let's test it now.
Hey girlies, just a little reminder that taking care of your skin isn't just about looking.
So this was this video without motion sync. Now let me show you what the real video with motion sync looks like.
And this product is just simple. So for this, I want you to just create a UGC content trying to spread information to like young women, like how to take care of their skin so that whenever they won't feel shy of showing their.
So yeah, this is the one with motion sync, and you see how expressive it is, right? The one without motion sync.
Hey girlies, just a little reminder that taking care of your skin isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling confident. Imagine hitting the beach this summer, not having to worry about your skin, and being able to rock that bikini with confidence. Trust me, when you feel good, you attract good things, including your loved ones. So invest in yourself, okay?
So yeah, that is it for. And tell me down in the comments, between the one with expressions and the normal one, which one do you like best? Before we close this tutorial for today, I'm sure you might have learned how to now create well-performing UGC ads, and now you understand what are the key components that are supposed to be present in a UGC ad for you to be able to push a product online on TikTok, IG, or even Twitter. So that is it. Thanks for this video, and thanks to our sponsor UGC Video AI for giving us the opportunity to put out this good tool for others to use. Don't forget to sign up with my link down below to get free 30 credits and additional 30 credits when you create your first AI avatar. Thank you.